Today we're doing a MOXI procedure, and MOXI is a 1927 wavelength, and what that does is it helps get rid of pigmentation. It's great for pores, it's great for redness, and it is a bit of resurfacing as well. It's especially good for melasma, and we all know melasma is really hard to treat. It's great for people that are younger as well as people that are older, and for people that want to do a resurfacing treatment without having the downtime. You may still have 1 to 3 days of downtime, or it could be more depending on how aggressive we do the MOXI, but this treatment will really help to renew your skin and help make you make collagen. So how does it feel?
Feels great.
Did you have numbing
Can't feel
cream
a
on?
thing, yeah.
Can't feel a thing. So numbing cream for about an hour, and now she's doing a nice, you can see how the laser works. It's fantastic. And afterwards she'll be swollen a little bit red. She'll have some pigmentation coming up, but it'll last, maybe anywhere from 1 to 3 days, and that's typical. And she'll do this once a month for 3 months, and then she'll come back next year and do it again. That's why we love MOXI. So if you want to find out more about it, or about any of the other over 55 procedures that we do, or if you want to come see Gloria, it's Gloria. You can find us online at RejuvenationMD, medspa.com.